Go.
Hi guys, this is Betty Crocker potatoes au gratin. You're going to get 2 or 3 boxes if you want. 3 boxes is probably good for your family. And it goes in a casserole dish like here. I already made it. It's in the oven. Can you see the casserole dish? The glass casserole dish. Okay, with that you're going to mix. For each box you make, you're going to use 2 cups of boiling water, a 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of margarine. You mix it all together in the casserole dish, and the seasoning is in the box. You fill the potatoes in, you just stir it all together, and then you throw it in the oven, and it's on the box. It says 450 for 20 minutes, but I usually cook it for about 45 minutes. You'll see how you like it. Check it in about 30 minutes and see if you like it. And that's the end of that. It's done. Okay? Now we're doing the pork chops with the Ovenfry. Okay, you're going to get Kraft Ovenfry for pork. We're doing 5, 10. We're doing 15 pork chops, and they're boneless. If you need to use the bone, you can have the bone, but the boneless are usually better. You get Ovenfry extra crispy for pork. Okay, the green box, and we're going to use 3 boxes of that. What you do is, you take, for 3 boxes, you take 3 eggs, you mix a little bit of water, okay, mix it all up. Then if you run out of this mixture, you can always put another egg with a little bit more water. Mix that up, and then you're going to wash off your pork chops. Rinse your pork chops good. And we have the pan. The pan, you're going to put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the pan. You put the olive oil. You're going to put the olive oil in the bottom of the pan before you start. You can line the pan with a little bit of tin foil so it's easier cleanup for you. Okay. Do you have any more olive oil, I hope?
Do you need it for anything else?
No, I need it for this to line that pan.
Wait, here's a lot. Look.
I know, but you need a bunch so they don't stick. Otherwise they'll stick. Here, yeah.
June, take a paper towel and wipe that corner, because I poured it in.
Where?
Wipe the corner of this.
Okay.
So it doesn't spill in the oven.
Okay.
I'm not doing a very good job of videotaping.
Okay, so you're just going to line the bottom of the pan with oil, just so that you have a coating, so the pork chops don't stick.
That's a lot of oil, yeah?
Yeah, but you don't want them to stick because they're going to be crunchy. You don't want all the crunchy to come off. Okay, that's good. Just line it good. Alright, just so that you coat the bottom of the pan. And then what you're going to do is you take your stuff here. Get your pan all ready to go. You make a mess, you just clean it up afterwards. Okay, so you have your egg and your water, and you beat the egg in one dish. Then this is 3 packs. I only have 2 in here for now. I'm going to add another pack when I run out. 3 packs of the Ovenfry for pork. You're going to rinse your pork chops. Of course, wash your hands first. Then put the pork chops in there. Rinse them a little bit just to wet them up. Of course, your hands are clean before you start. I washed my hands before I started. Victor? Hey, can you shut that water? I'm just going to start with this. Okay, then you just coat them good. You coat the pork chops good, turn them over. Just coat them with this, the Ovenfry. A couple of times, turn them over. And then you just transfer them to the pan. That's it.
Do it with that hand only so I can show you.
Okay.
No, the other one.
Okay, so you have, turn them over.
Move this hand.
What do you want?
Move it away.
Okay, coat the pork chop good all over with the egg and the water mixture. And then you coat it a couple of times with this.
That looks good.
And then you put it in the pan. You fit them close together. That's all it is. Just takes a few minutes to just prepare.
That looks good.
You want to get it nice and coated so it gives a nice crunchy taste. Okay. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh, your eggs, before you do this. You smell a weird taste in your eggs. If you smell a weird smell, chuck the eggs. Smell the eggs when you crack them open. Make sure they're good. See how nice?
Did you put water in that
Yes.
egg mixture?
Yes.
A little cold water?
It's a little cold
How
water.
many eggs are in that mixture?
This is, for each box, you're supposed to use 1 egg.
Okay.
For each box of the Ovenfry. So I have 3 eggs because I'm using 3 boxes, and a little bit of water just to get a good consistency.
Mm-hmm.
And then that's all it is. Okay? Very simple.
Want me to open up that another box now?
Yeah, you can open up the other box. If you don't mind. Oh, I want to ask you to do is just move this pan over.
Ready?
Yes. No, you don't have to, don't put on. That's good. Okay, now we're done with this pan. If you can move this pan over, Lee.
Okay.
Put it on. Don't waste any of it. Okay, good. That's good. Just switch them.
So the oven is on.
425.
Okay.
Now you already have that. You already have your potatoes are gratin in the oven. You do the potatoes first because they'll take about 40 minutes, and these will only take about 20 minutes. These don't take long to cook. 20 to 25 minutes.
First is the potatoes.
First, make the potatoes au gratin according to the box.
And then start your pork chops.
And then start your pork chops.
Because the potatoes can be done and sitting on the stove for another hour before you eat them.
Anyway, the potatoes will take about 45 minutes on 425.
Did somebody narrate?
Yeah.
The potatoes will take about 45 minutes. You got to see when the liquid is all sopped up, then they're done. So you'll be able to tell. And then while you're making the pork chops, they're already cooking. Okay? And that's it.
You want to take some out of this one and put it in there?
No, because I have another pack of pork chops out. Lee, can you just open that so I can wash them? Okay.
Yeah. I'll do them. I'm going to snap this.
Here. Okay, you'll snap them. Snap it off.